Warning, watching Snap On Friday could cause the following. Increase in Snap On tool purchases. Drastic loss of toolbox space, possibly resulting in the need of a bigger toolbox. Feeling of personal pride and self-worth. Decreased communication with spouse or significant other. Lowered bank account balance. Tool envy from others, especially coworkers. Could cause a possible increase in libido and or increase in testosterone levels. Warnings have not been approved by FDA, FCC, EPA, FBI, FDIC, ASC, DOD, ICE, NATO, FTC, NCIS, or any of the other abbreviations that nobody understands anyway. Extreme caution is advised.
Everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. Y'all know what today is, Snap On Friday. You know what that means? Hamilton's outside, which is a good thing because we got some warranty work for him, so stay tuned.
Man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Locked out.
Appreciate it.
What do you think about them?
That look good. I like that.
Sharp, ain't they?
Yeah. That rain starting to come, man.
Starting to come. I'm hoping I just pulled the last truck in for the day. Well, that's a pretty solid gun.
KCP 1422. DCP, I think it's the last three. Stick with that.
Nice.
BDC. KCP 1422. BDC.
It's a
I got
nice
towel.
looking box. Clean, too.
The only difference in this box and this box is that this one looks like the classic, where the Master Series has the trim sticking out where the drawers can stick out. This has the look of the Classic Series where there is no trim on it. The drawers are sunk in where they're flush with the front. The metal, the gauge of the metal is the same as on the Master Series. The drawer slides weight capacity is the same as on the Master Series. You can look at this. It's got two slides on top and bottom.
Right.
270 pounds.
God, Bill, that's quality right there.
That's the box right there. This one right here, same thing. I mean, that's a big drawer.
Yep.
And we expect you to put the weight in it. You know? I'm 270 pounds, and I just wasn't pushing down, I'm not bouncing on that one.
Yep.
This only got one slide on it, but it says I'm capable of having one. Got the, this is the best thing that they put on them right here, speed drawers. They come with all the pieces where you can, I got guys that just have three big full size, and I got guys that have them all squared off.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
Washers, lock washers, whatever you want to, roll lock pads, sawzall blades, cut off wheels, stuff like that in it. The small stuff that you gotta have.
And it's got power.
Got the power door. We can open that up. We'll see.
Man, that is a sharp box right there.
We don't put the dividers in here anymore. You can get the dividers, but see, these are all offset. Got one right here, then the here, then here, then here, then here. That's why you can put your chargers in here to make them work how you want to. We also got two USB plugs. They charge at 2.0 amps instead of the 1.2 like a lot of those do.
Man, that is nice, dude. I like that flat front like that on there.
Yeah.
That's a pretty box.
I got this one sold already. I sent a picture of it to another guy on Monday. He said, that box is mine.
What how much cheaper are those than like the Master Series?
I looked up the prices on this one.
That's a beautiful box. Good looking box.
Like I said, I got this one sold. Well, I could sell this one because I got a buddy of mine got another one just like it, so I could go get his if I needed to.
It's a fine box. Goes up to 1.25 inches.
This one's $69.95 full list. Of course, you know we can get discounts and rebates and trade-ins and stuff like that on it too.
Yeah.
For that box and the Master Series with the trim stuff, you're probably looking at $85.
A lot cheaper then.
Yeah. Of course, it is a little bit. It's only 24 deep instead of the full 30. Compared to like the Master Series, but I mean, it's not a Master Series box. It's
Right. It's a nice box.
Yeah.
Really nice. That color is shot too.
Clean better, baby. You know what hard this way? Hard to work with. Right one. I'm making progress.
We have had parts issues, to say the least. To say the very least.
These from Matthew.
You talking to him about his shirts?
Yeah, he said he didn't say which ones. He just said some shirts.
Yeah, he said something about a long sleeve and a couple of short sleeves or something.
Which long sleeve?
Like that one I got last week.
I got the red one.
Beach towel, baby.
You talking about life earlier?
Oh, yeah, those coasts. HR, whatever the one is.
That's a big spoon. Here's one that's focused down.
Is that the recharge?
No, that's not rechargeable. Here. I ain't got no rechargeable.
Well, them are pretty small heads on them, ain't they?
Yeah. Compared to the gear range, the blue point ain't much thicker than them. The blue point is about as thick as our older style.
You see them extra long ones, Bill? They still got them in here. Look at that. That's a 9/16.
The gun was a long rig.
It's the extra long. See if I can find y'all a regular one. Here they are side by side. The extra long and the standards. Most people say it's all about the girth. What do you think about that, Bill?
Bill, he's saying I view my comments to myself.
Bill ain't even gonna talk today. Camper shy. So you'll get some of them blue point sets in?
Which one? No, wrenches.
Ratchet and wrenches?
Yeah, I got some ordered.
Man, there's some little bitty heads on them jokers though.
That's a Snap-on, wasn't that?
How little the heads are on them. I looked at the zero offset ones online. They look nice too.
Yeah, the straight.
I don't know which one would be better.
The zero offset, they're pretty neat, but I always like the offset over here though. Because I mean, if you're working on spots you ain't got that's not close,
Yeah.
it'd be fine. But
So they're flank drive on one side. Yeah, nice. Alright, so these are my multi-pliers that I had, and I broke the cutting blade in it right here. So the only piece I got to warranty that's left is that. That's it. And it's still warranted. I saw how much.
oh yeah.
Who's that? Who's that other one?
Still carry around that damn Mexico cornbread. Can't get rid of this. I mean, short.
Can't even get rid of it. Can't even give it away. You can't give it away here because I ain't got no warranty. I just ain't buy Harbor Freight. That way when it breaks, you're done with it. Same difference, ain't it?
Pretty much.
If you can't warranty it, I'm gonna throw it away.
Now they got any Mexico guy now. He ain't been by here yet. That's a 25-year-old boy. They
He must have done heard about the
well, he's riding the older guys or the. I'm not sure about the other one. That somebody's riding around with him. They go to the shop still right now. Well, I think he's riding on them. They're introducing him and handing out books and this and that. Mike Lindsay told him there wasn't no reason to come by there. He said we got Joe and stuff by. He said they don't come by here. He said that the guy told me, he said that's like the fourth time we heard that today. He said I'm shocked to say he said 6.
Yeah, I'm kind of digging the size of them. And it took it all?
Yep.
Wow, show that on there. That's amazing, ain't it? There's some bad dudes, I know that. I'm kind of, I like the price of the blue points. I think it's probably gonna be the way I go, but I sure like that little bitty head on there.
Well, you just buy the Blue Point set and then the 2 or 3 sizes that you need for the real tight areas. Just get the snap-on ones.
That 13 is gonna be the one because that's what pulls.
I mean, that's the main one you need. Then I said probably go with the Blue Point set because of money wise, but then just buy the one snap-on wrench instead of getting the whole set. Them bras, them look good, I think. Don't get cold enough down here for them.
No. I told Bill when it gets cold weather, I was not gonna fuss at all. I wasn't gonna say nothing negative about it being cold.
Seemed like there's a bunch of clocks out there, more bar stoves.
Yeah.
Seemed like it wasn't ever gonna warm up this year.
There's stuff in there.
Yep.
Too in the winter time.
Yeah. Well, you seen the one I wear all the time, that orange one with the S on it. Ordered a bunch of these for people. Little snap-on skewers.
Oh, that's neat.
Use on your grill. Pizza cutter.
Pop-up pins.
These are heavy. I got one of them and 2 of these that we use at racing all the time. And some of the director's chairs. I just got them in the other day.
Tell who's got the money.
And all different flavors of the jerky that we get out there.
Big jerky is fine. In case you can get it too.
Yeah. All kinds of different stuff you can get with them.
Even dog treats.
Yep. Baby stuff.
Flags is pretty cool, aren't they? Alright guys, I'm gonna play Hamilton and we'll show you what all we picked up this week. Y'all stick around. Alright guys, you've seen Hamilton had a good bit of stuff on the truck today. We're waiting on some ratcheting wrenches to come in, so I gotta make my mind up if I'm gonna buy the Blue Point or the snap-ons. So I'm kind of waiting on those to come in so I can take a look at them. I also eyeballing the new FDX sockets. I really like them. And some of the extra long handle wrenches that I showed you guys. So y'all guys have to check out and see which ones I get probably next week or in the next couple of weeks, however long it takes to come in. But today we got a few items. We got another black t-shirt and we got a couple of magnetic wrench racks. course, this one's black and this one's red. I really like these. They take up a little bit less room in your box. I just kind of like the way they laid out, and I like the fact they're easy to go on and off. It makes it a little quicker. So, but anyway, the part number on this is WRRAK12BK, and they're adjustable. You can slide them however you want to, and all that good stuff. And the red one is WRRAK12RD. Anyway, guys, that's what we got today off the truck. So I hope you like this video. Be sure to go check out Bearded CB's channel. I'll put a link to him up here at the top because he's got some really good stuff. And if you've never seen his Will It Break series, then you're really missing out because that is a Snap-on guy's nightmare right there. Anyway, be sure to check his channel out. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.